Hey everybody, welcome to EspressX from EspressX Tech. As you can see today, we got a VEICK Resistance Bands. So I had shoulder surgery a little more than 10 years ago, and I got to continually work for flexibility in that. So I decided to go ahead and get these from Amazon the other day. I picked them up for a low of $39.99. Looks like they come with some instructions in here, a little pre-workout guide. It'll show you the different exercise groups that you can do. Tells you thank you for your arms, your legs, stretches as well. I'm going to be mostly using this for my shoulder for physical therapy. Separate little bag here. Let's open it up, see what we got. So this looks like no, it's not for pulling, because it's a little too soft. It doesn't have the bar in there. So that's going to be the ankle straps. This little knot piece, this will go behind the door so you can close the door and do it one hand or two-handed at a time. Got the D-ring there. Nice little bag that comes with this. Polyester, got their name on there. Reusable. Throw it up to the side, get to it later. And here's the main deal here. So it looks pretty nice. As you can see, we got the 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Each of them have their own little clasps, so you don't have to keep taking the clasp off from one to another. So that's pretty nice. Go ahead and get one taken off here so we can see about the general size. So if I had to guess, it's around 3 feet. It slides on the end, so you can take it out and put it to another one if you need. Feels pretty strong. That's 50. It's got a good tug to it. And they're mesh on the end, so it's not like a hard plastic that's going to rip. So I like it. It looks pretty good. Again, you can see they each got their own little, it's not a D-ring, but it's kind of like a climber's hook. But obviously they'll tell you, no more than 150 pounds. You can't really climb with it if you're, risking your life. You need a different kind of steel and all that. So we'll fiddle with this, see what it do. Hook's pretty nice to it. And see if I can get this off of here. That's the piece that'll go behind the door. This way when you're behind the door, you can get your shoulder or your overhead. Shown here closer, the ankle straps are about 7 inches, which is 14 inches around total. The pull bars for your hand are about 5 inches. And the total length is about 36 inches. Here I demonstrate the door stop. You should always put this so the door will close, not open from the side that you have it on. This is an internal rotation, which is good for rotator cuff strength. This is the 50-pound pull. I don't recommend it to start out with. Start with a 10, a light one. And then here's just some extra pulling, little resistance. Looks good. As always, this is EspressX from EspressX Tech. I hope this helps you in your decisions if you decide to buy the product with the dimensions and what it comes with. It's got a good arrangement of the hooks and gadgets that it comes with. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.